I searched how to buy shares of Flerie AB to demonstrate the process. Flerie AB is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker FLERIE.ST, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker platform. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the broker search field and enter the ticker FLERIE.ST to find the correct listing. Choose the result that matches Flerie AB on CBOE EU to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to understand recent movements. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker FLERIE.ST to ensure it is the correct stock. Press the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to allocate, and check order settings, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade is processed, the position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.